In an effort to stop a potential second wave, New York City tonight is planning to reinstate restrictions affecting more than 500,000 people as the coronavirus spreads at an alarming rate. Mayor de Blasio is calling it a neighborhood rewind, closing non-essential businesses and all schools, public and private, in areas of Brooklyn and Queens with high COVID cases. We do have team coverage tonight. CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez has the impact on schools, but we begin with CBS 2's Lisa Rozner in Gravesend, Brooklyn, one of the coronavirus cluster areas.
Alice, the citywide positive test rate is 1.72%, but some of those zip codes are seeing double, even quadruple that. So starting Wednesday, pending state approval, the plan is to close non-essential businesses in those zip codes and only have restaurants offering delivery or takeout. Sunday night, 13th Avenue and Borough Park bustling with people not wearing masks. We saw some were, but city numbers show the positive test rate is the highest in this zip code, 11219. It's more than 8%.
In some parts of our city, in Brooklyn and Queens, we're having an extraordinary problem, something we haven't seen since the spring.
Handing out thousands of masks didn't work, so pending the governor's approval, the mayor is calling for a neighborhood rewind, closing non-essential businesses in 9 zip codes where the positive test rate has remained over 3% the last 7 days. It includes Borough Park, Gravesend Homecrest, Midwood, Bensonhurst Mapleton, Flatlands Midwood, Edgemere Far Rockaway, Garrettson Beach Homecrest, Sheepshead Bay, Kew Gardens Hills, Pomanac, and Kew Gardens.
So I definitely agree with the mayor's decision to shut down. There's no social distancing going on in stores.
Yes, mayor should lock it down.
Okay.
And put a curfew.
This comes after Governor Cuomo said Friday he would enforce part of a health law that allows him to fine the city $10,000 for failing to step up public compliance. The governor has not said if he'll approve de Blasio's rewind plan, but by phone Sunday, he said starting Monday, the state will do targeted enforcement on businesses and places of worship.
New enforcement across the board. A Catholic church, a mosque, a temple, all have the same state rules and guidelines.
The mayor's plan will also mean restaurants in those 9 zip codes will have to scrap outdoor dining and go back to only offering delivery and takeout. L&B Spumoni Gardens in Gravesend, whose outdoor tables were filled Sunday, would be affected.
It's going to be tough. We did everything that we could for, the precautions, 6 feet apart, plexiglass on the windows, cleaning once everybody gets up.
If approved by the governor, the restrictions will be in place for 2 to 4 weeks, depending on their success. There's also 11 other zip codes where the mayor wants to limit high-risk activities like indoor dining and gyms. You can find those zip codes on our website, cbsnewyork.com. In Gravesend, Brooklyn, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.